Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, we are going to perform a hands-on lab focused on the Copilot Chat and Agent experience. In the previous session, we discussed the theoretical concepts behind Copilot Chat and Agents, including how agents extend the capabilities of Copilot by performing specialized tasks. Now, in this session, we will move from theory to practice and explore how these agents work in a real scenario. More specifically, we will look at the researcher agent and understand how it can perform multi-step research tasks automatically. Let's begin the lab. Step 1. Access Copilot Chat. The first step is to access Microsoft Copilot Chat. To do this, open your browser and navigate to m365.cloud.microsoft.com. Once you sign in with your Microsoft 365 account, you will see the Copilot interface. Now within the Copilot interface, you will notice a Tools button. This button is important because it contains the agents available within your tenant. When we click on Tools, you will see a list of available agents. In my environment, I currently have the following agents: researcher, analyst, designer. These are Microsoft provided agents. In addition to these, organizations can also install third-party agents or build custom agents using the Microsoft Copilot ecosystem. Once these agents are approved by the AI administrator, they will also appear in this section. For this particular lab, we will use the researcher agent, understanding the researcher agent. Before we begin the exercise, let me briefly explain what the researcher agent does. The researcher agent is designed to perform deep research tasks. Unlike a normal chat response, which usually generates answers based on quick retrieval, the researcher agent performs multi-step reasoning and data gathering. It collects information from multiple sources, analyzes it, and then produces a structured research report. This makes it extremely useful for scenarios such as market research, competitive analysis, technology comparisons, strategic decision support. Now let's see it in action. Step 2. Define the research scenario. For this exercise, we will use a fictitious company called Contoso Ltd. This company is frequently used in Microsoft documentation and training examples. Let's assume that Contoso's cloud computing division wants to analyze major cloud vendors in order to identify potential partners. The research should include market share data, key differentiators, pricing models, recent product launches, strategic focus areas. The goal is to help Contoso's leadership team decide which cloud provider would be the best strategic partner. Let me copy the prompt that describes this research scenario. If you are following along with this lab, you can copy the same prompt and try it yourself. Step 3. Execute the research using the researcher agent. Now I will go back to Copilot Chat. Here I will type, help me with the comparison of these cloud vendors. Then I will select the researcher agent. Now I will click send. You will notice that the researcher agent behaves differently compared to a normal chat interaction. Before starting the research, it asks a few clarifying questions. For example, should the analysis focus on global market share or a specific region? Should pricing analysis focus on specific services like compute, storage, or networking? Is the comparison intended for internal decision making or competitive analysis? This is a very important feature. A professional research assistant would typically ask similar questions before beginning a study. For this demonstration, I will simply respond with go ahead. Now the researcher agent begins the research process. Observing the research process, you will notice something interesting. The researcher agent shows the steps it is performing behind the scenes, such as gathering market insights, comparing vendors, analyzing pricing models, examining recent product developments, evaluating industry trends. This step-by-step approach is why the researcher agent takes longer than a normal Copilot response. In most cases, it takes around 2 to 3 minutes to complete the analysis. The reason is simple. It is collecting and synthesizing information from multiple trusted sources before generating the final report. Step 4. Reviewing the research report. Once the analysis is complete, the researcher agent generates a structured report. You can see that the report includes sections such as global market share overview, vendor comparison, platform differentiators, pricing and cost models, strategic insights. The output is well structured and extremely detailed. You will also notice small reference indicators throughout the report. These are called citations. Citations show the original sources of the information, ensuring transparency and credibility in the research. This means the agent is not simply generating text. It is retrieving verified information from the web and referencing it properly, exporting the research report. Another useful feature is that we can export the research into a Word document. If I click the Convert to Word document option, Copilot will automatically generate a formatted research report in Microsoft Word. Let me open the document. You can see that the entire research has been converted into a structured professional document, which can easily be shared with colleagues or leadership teams. This is extremely useful in real-world scenarios where research findings need to be documented and presented formally. Comparing researcher agent versus normal Copilot chat. Now let's perform an important comparison. I will open a new Copilot chat and run the same prompt, but this time without using the researcher agent. Let me paste the same prompt and click send. You will immediately notice the difference. The normal Copilot chat responds much faster, but the response is high level and summarized. It performs a quick web search and generates a concise answer. However, it does not perform the multi-step deep analysis that the researcher agent performs. This highlights a key concept: Copilot chat, fast responses, high-level summaries; researcher agent, deep multi-step analysis and structured reports. This distinction is extremely important when deciding which Copilot capability to use for a particular task. Key learning from this lab exercise, we learned that the researcher agent performs autonomous multi-step research. It collects information from multiple sources and provides detailed, structured insights. It includes citations, ensuring transparency and reliability. It can automatically generate research reports in Word format. This is fundamentally different from a single-turn Copilot chat response, which focuses on quick answers rather than deep research. With that, we have completed this lab on the researcher agent and Copilot chat comparison. In the next session, we will explore another important concept: work versus web grounding in Copilot, and how Copilot retrieves information from different sources. So on that note, I will stop here. Thank you for joining this session, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care and happy learning.